It must be almost Christmas. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today's product sent to us in return for our honest review are these icicle lights, multicolored or bright yellow. These things will illuminate your house. I've run these around my trailer. They have gone down this length, all the way down the long side, back down the other side, and then I had extra I had to throw across the top because there's nearly 90 feet of lights here, and my place isn't that big. So there was extra. So these lights have 8 different modes that you can switch between flashing modes, multicolored, or just the straight white. You can also adjust the brightness, and you can do it all from the handy remote. There's also a timer you can set, so if you want to turn them on and leave them on when you go to bed and not have to shut them off, but also not leave them going all night, this will help with that. So whether you prefer the fast flashing lights or the slow blinking, or even just the steady color, these will be the lights to illuminate your house.